Hi there, I got this AirTag wallet as a gift for my husband, and I wanted to show this to you and show you what a nice gift this is. It came in this really nice sleek box. It's like a really dark navy blue with some black writing, and I just wanted to show you how it came packaged. So it has this really nice wrapping on it, and then it comes with a thank you with some information on it. And then I chose this brown color. It's made out of really nice material. So there's a little card in there with information. So you can see how it opens up, and that it has a pocket in there, and then some pockets over here, another pocket right here, lots of pockets to put cards, whether it's your credit card, different discount cards, of course your ID here, a nice transparent place. And I love this little thumb holder. I can't tell you how awful it is when you get a wallet and you cannot get your ID out very quickly. That annoys me so much. So I love that it has this opening and you can slide your ID in and out. So some pockets on each side, and then a place for your cash to go, and another pocket here, and another little sliding area, and then this place where you put your AirTag. So my husband can sometimes lose his wallet. He puts it different places in our house, and then he'll forget, and he'll be headed out the door in a hurry and he can't find his wallet. So the AirTag is perfect for that. And we also have 2 young kids in our house that just love to take our stuff and hide it from us, it seems like, and we can't find it. So the AirTag is great for that. And of course, hopefully it never happens, but if somebody were to take your wallet, or you were to lose your wallet in a restaurant or at a bar, you could use the AirTag to try to locate your wallet. So I'll just put some stuff in here so you can see how it all fits. And this is a slim wallet, so that will be nice to fit in your the back pocket, and it's not big and bulky, so if you sit on your wallet, it's not going to be irritating. So just pretend like this is my ID. Oh, sorry, it goes right here. So look at how nice that is, that you can so easily slide it in and out. I have a membership card, discount card. These all just go so easily in and out. Love that. And then I even have like these little coupons for the grocery store. I like to, or I should say my husband likes to have them on him when he's going to the grocery. So having it pop up in the wallet right here is an easy reminder when he goes to the store that he has these that he can use. And then, of course, the last thing is you putting the AirTag in here. So the way that you are going to do that is just kind of access it. There's a little peek hole, and then you just slide your AirTag down in there. So you just have to manipulate it a little bit. Of course, it is brand new, so it does need to be kind of broken in a little bit. So it just slides right down in there, and then you just adjust it. And then there's even a little clip that is going to clip your AirTag so that it doesn't slide out and you don't lose it. I don't know if you can see that, but there's that little clip right there. So that's going to snap that in and protect it from coming out. So this is a great wallet to get as a gift, or if you carry a wallet, this is a great product to get for yourself.